Hello, Zippo World. It's Mr. Zippo. Got a few items to go over with you. Some lighters that my collection. I would say that these are in the beer category. Yep, like in Budweiser. Okay. So, 1999, the Clydesdales. 1999. This is the end of a century. End of a century. Got the original Zippo case. 1999 on the back. Budweiser with the horses. There's the barcode. Okay. And let's take a peek. Brand new, polished chrome. Look at that thing shine. But I love them horses. Don't you love? Them's the Clydesdales. So on the front, it says Budweiser, Clydesdales. And 1999, Budweiser, Anheuser-Busch. Oh, Anheuser-Busch Incorporated. So on the bottom is that XVL. XV. Let's take a look at that. You know, you never want to make a mistake. XV. Yeah, 1999. Always, this is a handy thing that you can get from Zippo. It's a carry it in your wallet. So it's helpful to identify your product there, the Zippo lighters. So polished chrome, 1999. There's a little warranty in the back. Guaranteed for life. Guaranteed for life. Oh, I didn't show the bottom to you. Here we go. There's the code on the bottom. And 1999 in the original tin. Man, this is nice, Like you can find that on in my eBay store at Christos G, CHRISTOS-G 510. Christos G 510, Army, Navy, Marines, Zippo lighters. Next up in the beer category is the famous Miller High Life. Miller High Life, 1961. Zippo, 1961. And on the back it says Coffee Grounds. It says Coffee Grounds. So somebody must have had a nickname of Coffee Grounds when he was spilling the coffee after a night of Miller High Life. Let's look inside. Oh man, this looks nice. That opened up nice. Oh, did you see that? Oh man, sparky, sparky, sparky. No, it has a new flint in it. I always make sure they got the spark going on there. And yeah, look for me on Facebook at Zippo World and Mr. Zippo. Yeah, 2 Facebook sites. So number 3, what do we got here? Well, it's a oldie but a goodie. Yeah, baby. Falstaff. When's the last time you had a nice cold Falstaff? And we're looking on the bottom, and whoa, let's see here. That's off to the left. It's off to the left. Yep. 1958. 1958 Falstaff. It's quite a long time ago. Zippo lighter. Zippo. Let's see what's inside. Opens nice. Sparky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Falstaff beer. Bingo. Yeah, there's a lot of this was a good website here. The Passionate Wick. On the Passionate Wick, they have actual photographs of the bottoms all the way from 1933 up until present day. The Passionate Wick. You can go to their website, save that on your laptop, and this is a really good identifier, looking at the bottoms. And then also, you gotta make sure, here's a good one, you gotta make sure that the insert matches the bottom. So if the insert's different from a different year, different era, you gotta let people know. You gotta disclose that. So here's another one. This was an actual lighter that they sold, but it's got all the terms that Zippo uses for the cam spring, the cam rivet, the inside case, the flint wheel, the rivet, the tube insert, the plate, the felt pad, the lid, the hinge pin, the bottom case, the screw, flint spring, flint, tube, rayon balls. Don't forget about the rayon balls. And make sure you got a good identification. You need this to see the bottoms marks, okay? So, what's up next? Let's see here. Oh, here's a good one. Burgermeister. Have an ice cold Burgermeister, 1964. What were you doing in 64? I was in high school, 1964. Just getting ready to be drafted. Yep, be drafted. So I wasn't a fortunate one. Yeah, I wasn't a senator's son. I went to Vietnam. Okay, we're looking inside. Looks good, looks good. Oh my goodness. 1964, it's sparking. It looks good on the hinge, the backside. Zippo. So if you go on my eBay store, Christos G 510, that's CHRISTOS G 510, the number 510, and Army Navy, and you can see hundreds of these Zippo lighters, good working condition. Got one more. It's not beer, but it's in that category. It's in that ballpark. Yep. It's in a white sleeve. Full disclosure, this is a similar Zippo 10. It's not the factory 10. No. Nope, it's what you would call, it's like a jewelry case thing, but it is made for Zippo lighters, especially. And this is Mr. Jim Beam, Jimmy Beam. Look at that, polished chrome, and Jim Beam at the top, and a big old beam at the bottom, and it does say genuine beam, straight from Kentucky, polished chrome. Wow, wow. Look at that bad boy. Just polished chrome all the way around. 2006. It's not too long ago. Let's just see what's inside. Don't want to get... Oh my goodness. Now the wick is almost... I'd say it's never been burnt. Yeah. Jimmy Beam. Man, that's nice. Kentucky. Yep, got the, does have the warranty package inside there. Slip that boy back in that little velvet case. This keeps it nice. Keeps it nice. Jim Beam. I always make sure my Zippos don't get dirty, don't get scratched, they don't get no dust on them. Zippo, Zippo, Zippo. Sometimes when you send some off to the factory for repair, they'll send you back a little catalog. You know, and there's a couple books out there that you can buy. They're kind of expensive though. But you can find a used one on the internet. And then you could also go on Facebook and join the Bradford Zippo Lighter Club. How nice is that? Just Google Zippo when you go on Facebook, and you can find, here's another one, another bottom identifier. So it's good to compare so you know what it is and what it ain't. So that was our beer display for today. It's not 5 o'clock, but it may be time for a nice cold Bud. Yeah. Here in Florida, we drink Bud Light Lime. Just got that tropical flavor. So this is Mr. Zippo telling you to keep your wick dry. Yeah, keep your wick dry. Okay. So subscribe to the channel. We'll be reviewing Zippo lighters all day long. Zippo lighters, Zippo. It's Mr. Zippo signing off.